Learn how to write April in calligraphy 8 different ways, plus there's a bonus one hidden inside this video. There's a link in the description below to a blog post that has still images of these words, as well as information about the pens that we're using and different resources that you can learn these techniques from, so make sure you check that link in the description for the blog post on our website. Otherwise, sit back, relax, and watch us write April in calligraphy. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to check the description for tons of free resources on our site on learning calligraphy, and please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue making videos like this one.